Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing in with your Microsoft account. Once done, open the OneDrive app or go to the OneDrive web interface. Make sure to allow permission for sync if you want offline access. You're doing this now to create the link between cloud and device, which speeds access. Once signed in, use the search bar or the Files section to surface recent items, and if you plan to work offline, enable the sync toggle so placeholders appear in your File Explorer. Now focus on finding the exact file. Use the search, refine with filters like file type or modified date, and sort columns to bring likely matches to the top. When you click a file name, you'll get a preview that shows content without downloading. This saves time and bandwidth. If it's an Office document, open it in the online viewer for quick edits. Once you edit online, OneDrive saves automatically, so you don't need to manage versions manually unless you want to. To finish, decide whether to download or keep the cloud copy. Choose download for a local file, or mark always keep on this device to force offline availability. When sharing, pick link versus specific people and set view or edit permissions to control access. If something goes wrong, check your internet connection, confirm you're signed in to the correct account, and verify you haven't exceeded storage quota. If sync still fails, pause and resume syncing, or restart the OneDrive app to refresh authentication and file state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.